In this tutorial, we'll be talking about the else statement in Python. The else statement is used in combination with the if statement to execute a block of code when the if statement is false. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we set the variable age to 18. We then use an if statement to check if age is less than 18. Since 18 is not less than 18, this condition is false and the code block under the else statement is executed, which prints "you can vote" to the console. Now, let's talk about when to use an elif statement. An elif statement is used when you have multiple conditions to check. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we set the variable x to 5. We then use an if statement to check if x is less than 0. Since 5 is not less than 0, we move on to the elif statement, which checks if x is equal to 0. Since x is not equal to 0, we move on to the else statement, which is executed and prints x is positive to the console. That's all for this tutorial. We've learned how to use the else statement in Python and when to use an elif statement. Keep practicing and you'll be a Python pro in no time.